Hey guys, today I'm here with a super quick and easy tutorial showing how I use some clip-ins from Hergivenhair to go from this to this in just about 10 minutes. Alright, so starting out, what you want to do is section off your leave out area. So first make a part wherever you want your part to be, going back towards your crown. And today I'm going with a side part. Then on each side of that part you just made, you want to make another part creating about a 3/4 inch wide section of hair, like so. And I'm detangling that and 2-strand twisting with a small dab of hair gel. Now I have these two twists and I'm going to twist them together, then form a bantu knot to get that up and out of the way. Then continue by sectioning off the rest of the front perimeter and twisting it with some gel. So now I have my edges sectioned off as well as the parting area, and next I'm spritzing on some water to get my hair a bit more manageable, and then I'm brushing it back so I can make a low ponytail. And for the back, you just need it to be flat. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I am braiding that up and then I'm twirling it around itself and pinning it in place so it's all flat and flush to my head. Now it's time for the clip-ins. So this is what they look like, freshly washed and air dried. And this is one 18-inch bundle. The wefts come in different lengths from short to long to make application really easy. And all you have to do to apply is pop open the clips, push in the combs to attach them to your head, and snap the clips closed. So I'm starting out by using the longer pieces in the back, and as I move upwards, I'm gonna work my way to the shorter pieces, and it's all secure. Once you start getting to the front, you want to make sure to start placing the clip-ins right at the edge of where the leave-out area is. So once it's all in, it can all blend seamlessly with your natural hair. When I get to the top, I'm taking the two shortest clip-ins of the bundle and bringing them up to surround the part. Now that they're all in, I'm holding the clip-ins at the top just so they don't pull on my real hair, and I'm gently raking through the hair with my fingers to break up and separate the curls and really get some big voluminous hair going. Now we can go ahead and take down those sections we previously twisted up. And I'm going to slick down my edges with some edge control. So a little hack if you want your natural leave out to look exactly like the clip-ins, all you have to do is use a wooden chopstick and take a small piece of hair and wrap it around the bottom half. Clamp down on the chopstick with a flat iron for about 2 seconds on the entire length of the hair. Then slide the hair off the chopstick and there you go. And as you guys can see, the texture of these clip-ins looks super realistic. It definitely looks like it's all my hair. They're so easy and it only takes a few minutes to apply, so they're really great if you want a quick, bold style like this. Also, I really like how full they are. I was able to do my entire head, which you see here, with just one bundle, and you can definitely make this even bigger if you want, just by fluffing it out some more. The quality seems really good as well. I've washed these a few times actually, and they still look and feel exactly like when I first got them. So I think with proper care, they definitely should last a good amount of time. As always, you guys, I will have all of the info on this down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon on my next one. Bye.